Imagine two entrepreneurs, Sarah and John. Both launch online courses. Sarah uses simple slideshows. John wows his audience with engaging videos. Who do you think attracts more students? You guessed it, John. High-quality video content is king in today's digital world. It grabs attention, boosts engagement, and drives results. Think about your own online experiences. Are you more likely to watch a talking head video or scroll past a wall of text? Videos create a human connection. They make your message memorable. In a crowded digital landscape, they help you stand out. But creating professional-looking videos can feel daunting, right? That's where HeyGen comes in. Traditional video production is time-consuming and expensive. Hiring actors, finding locations, and editing footage can drain your budget and your energy. And let's be honest, not everyone feels comfortable in front of a camera. The technical aspects of video editing can also be a major hurdle. Do you find yourself overwhelmed just thinking about it? You're not alone. Many creators, especially those just starting out, struggle with these challenges. But what if there was a way to create stunning videos without the hassle?
Yeah, creating videos feels like climbing a mountain sometimes. I just don't have the time or the skills for it.
Say hello to HeyGen, your new secret weapon for creating professional videos with ease. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, HeyGen is designed to make your video production process smoother and more efficient. HeyGen is an innovative platform powered by artificial intelligence. It leverages cutting-edge technology to bring your creative visions to life without the usual hassle. It simplifies video production and empowers anyone to create captivating content. No more struggling with complicated software or spending hours on editing. With HeyGen, you don't need fancy equipment or technical expertise. All you need is your imagination and a script. It's like having a personal video production team at your fingertips. Imagine the possibilities when you can create high-quality videos from anywhere, at any time. Imagine transforming your scripts into engaging videos in minutes. No more waiting for days or weeks to get your content ready. HeyGen's intuitive interface makes video creation a breeze. The platform is designed to be user-friendly so you can focus on your creativity. Simply input your script, choose your AI avatar, and customize your video with ease. It's that simple. You can add your personal touch with just a few clicks.
HeyGen has completely transformed how I create content. The ease of use and the professional results have made a huge difference in my workflow. It's so easy and the results are amazing. I can now produce high-quality videos without the stress and time commitment. I can't imagine going back to the old way of making videos. HeyGen has revolutionized my content creation process, making it more enjoyable and efficient.
Section 4. Unleash your creativity, exploring HeyGen's features. In this section, we will delve into the powerful tools and functionalities that HeyGen offers to elevate your creative projects. Ready to dive into the magic of HeyGen? This platform is designed to bring your ideas to life with ease and efficiency. Let's explore its incredible features. From AI-driven avatars to advanced editing tools, HeyGen has everything you need to create stunning content. AI avatars. Choose from a diverse library of realistic AI avatars. These avatars can be customized to fit any scenario or character you envision. Customize their appearance to match your brand or message. Whether it's for marketing, education, or entertainment, the possibilities are endless. Lifelike voices. Give your avatar a voice. With HeyGen, you can select from a variety of natural-sounding voices. Select from a range of natural-sounding voices in multiple languages. This feature ensures your content is accessible and engaging to a global audience. Advanced editing tools. Easily edit your videos with intuitive tools for adding text, music, transitions, and more. These tools are designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. Templates for every occasion. Get a head start with professionally designed templates for various content formats. Whether it's a corporate presentation or a social media post, there's a template for you. Seamless collaboration. Work together on video projects with your team, no matter where they are. HeyGen makes remote collaboration smooth and efficient. HeyGen puts you in the director's chair, empowering you to bring your vision to life with precision and creativity, giving you complete creative control over your video content. With HeyGen, the only limit is your imagination. Start creating today and see the difference it makes. Section 5. HeyGen Across Industries, a versatile solution. HeyGen isn't just for entrepreneurs, it's a versatile tool that empowers creators across industries. Marketing and sales. Create engaging explainer videos, product demos, and social media content that converts. Education and training. Develop captivating online courses, training materials, and presentations. Human resources. Enhance internal communications, onboarding processes, and employee engagement. Social media and influencers. Captivate your audience with dynamic videos that stand out from the crowd. No matter your industry or niche, HeyGen can help you unlock the power of video to achieve your goals. Section 6. Voices of Success. Real stories, real impact. Don't just take our word for it. Hear what real HeyGen users are saying. Their experiences and stories highlight the transformative power of our platform.
HeyGen has been a game changer for my business. I can now create professional quality videos in minutes without breaking the bank. The ease of use and the professional results have significantly boosted my online presence and customer engagement. Sarah J., online business owner.
As an educator, I love how HeyGen helps me create engaging learning materials for my students. They're more attentive and excited about learning. The interactive and visually appealing content keeps them interested and makes complex topics easier to understand. David M., high school teacher.
HeyGen's AI avatars are incredibly realistic, and the platform is so easy to use. I highly recommend it to any content creator. The customization options and intuitive interface make it a must-have tool for anyone looking to enhance their video content. Maria S., social media manager.
These are just a few examples of how HeyGen is transforming video creation for individuals and businesses worldwide. From educators to business owners and social media managers, HeyGen is making a real impact. Join the community of satisfied users and see the difference for yourself. Section 7. Experience the HeyGen difference. Start creating today. Ready to unlock the power of AI video creation? Visit the HeyGen website and sign up for a free trial.
With HeyGen, you can save time and money on video production, create professional quality videos with ease, boost engagement and drive results. Unleash your creativity and tell your story. Join the video revolution today. Start creating stunning videos with HeyGen.